Paano mo ako natagpuan?
Nandito na rin ako, ha?
Paano ka nakarating dito? Paano mo nalamang nandito ako?
Double lang ang size. Okay lang ba sa'yo yan? Sanay ka ba sa sahig?
Hindi mo ba ako narinig? Bakit ka nandito?
Dahil may na-miss ako. Ang dagat.
Sinungaling ka talaga. Niloloko mo ba ako? 3 dagat ang nakapaligid sa Korea. Bakit ang dagat pa ditong napili mo? May dagat din naman sa Shin Island, ah.
Lumipat ka na lang. Maliit ang kama mo. Hindi tayo magkakasyang dalawa.
Bakit ako lilipat ng room? Pumayag na ba ako makasama mo? Akala mo ba nandito ako para maglaro? Bakit bigla ka pumunta dito at sinurpresa mo ako? Please, lumabas ka dito.
Wala ka pa bang nakakatabing lalaki?
Wala pa. Bakit mo ba tinatanong? Oh!
Yes?
Baliw ka na ba? Alam ng lahat na itong kwarto ko, kaya pag lalaki sumagot baka mag-isip sila ng masama. Akin ang telepono.
Yung coordinator ng seminar. Magsisimula na daw kayo in 10 minutes. Ano bang klaseng seminar ito?
Bakit kailangan malaman mo?
There are 4 ways to make the square chip smaller. The first way is to cut inside the mouth. The second way is to cut the minimum. The third is this botox. And the last one is this medium frequency cauterization. The first way is used to shrink a wide scope of area, and the recovery is similar to the rest. The second way is for the patients that aren't too serious, and it is cheaper. The botox treatment lasts for a year per shot, and if it is done about 3 times, the treatment can be permanent. The last one is very painful, and for the short and long term, this treatment is not better than the botox is. Look here. These are the examples. Here in the first picture, you will see a square chip. Upon applying the treatment, this gene will look different.
In dual plane breast enlargement, the insertion's upper part is placed below the musculus pectoralis major, and its bottom part is placed below the streamline. This treatment's crucial part is to separate the insertion to the musculus pectoralis major to the left and to the bottom layer of the breast. So the cut part of the
For anesthetic, we use a mixture of 1% salt solution, 2% lidocaine 20 cc, epinephrine 1 milligram, and inject it into the abdominal region. Then we follow general rules for abdominal suction lipectomy. We also paid special attention for any medical issue that could happen during the surgery. Developed about 15 years ago, this is the most common and safest method of liposuction. The term tumescence refers to the swelling and firming of fatty tissues by the means of infusing fluid into the tissue. After tiny incisions are made where the patient's skin covers fatty tissue, the area is soaked with a saline solution that contains an anesthetic, lidocaine, and adrenaline to reduce blood loss and bruising. This reduction in blood loss through the shrinking of the capillaries has been a great advance, enabling plastic surgeons to remove much fat with little blood loss. We'll take a break for a moment and continue this on the next report. Please be back after 1 hour. Thank you very much.
Long time no see. Your report is good. Hindi ko alam na expert ka pala pagdating sa breast enlargement. Sa totoo lang, nangihinayan ako at hindi tayo makakalabas ulit eh. Pwede ba tayo mag-dinner mamaya?
tayong dalawa lang. Pero may kasama ako. Okay lang ba sa'yo?